Hi guys, how's it going? Back with another video. Basically today I just want to catch up on double clutching within GTA. So there's been a lot of speculation over my other video that it was edited, I had mods, this, that and the other, and I just wanted to prove to you that it's actually still going today. 2021 GTA, we're in July now, the most recent patch as of today basically. So I'm doing it in the new Porsche that just came out. As you can see, I'm in an online lobby. Double clutching does still work. So it's the exact same technique as before. So basically, when you hear the car about to change gear, you let off the throttle, tap the handbrake, and then back on the throttle, full throttle, and it just sort of breaks out. So basically, the best one to do is first to second, because it sort of shifts from first to second, but I don't know what I don't know what the game mechanics are doing, but it basically makes the wheel spin loads, and it puts loads more torque into it than if you just let it change by itself normally. And as you can see, when you do it, sometimes the back end steps out a bit, which is quite fun. So I reckon this could be used in drift and a lot of things. But yeah, I just wanted to make a new video basically, just touching down on it and making sure that it does still work and showing all you guys that it does actually still work. Obviously you can see it's not video editing or anything because literally there's smoke coming out, and it's not mods because I'm in an online session and it's still working today. But yeah, those of you who can do it, obviously you know that it isn't a mod. You know that it is literally just skill, it's just the timing basically with pressing the handbrake and getting back on the throttle in time in between the gear change. But yeah, pretty much it really. I just wanted to show you that it still works. I do just want to say one more thing. Obviously, don't try this in real life because this is not the same technique that you would use in real life. In real life, if you let off the throttle and rip up the handbrake for a second doing like 80, I'm not responsible for your car bills.